Hi, it's Malia. Today I'm going to show you what the stock market is in under 1 minute. Brought to you by Our Rich Journey. A stock market is where people buy and sell stocks and bonds. Businesses need money to grow. Some businesses sell shares, also known as stocks. Stocks are units of ownership in a company. A person who buys stocks in a company is called a shareholder. Shareholders own part of a company. The price of a single stock can be from under $10 to more than $300,000. The prices of shares constantly go up and down. When shareholders invest in the stock market, they hope they can buy the stock at a lower price and then sell it at a higher price. People who hold on to stocks longer than most, to about 15 years or more, are more likely to succeed in stock markets. So that's it. That's the end of my 1 minute video about stocks. If you want to see more of these 1 minute videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the journey.